Stop wasting hours recording and editing videos. What if you could record, edit, and publish a professional video in minutes with one tool? If you create tutorials, courses, client demos, or YouTube videos, this tool might completely replace your current screen recorder. Meet ScreenToVideo, a powerful yet ridiculously easy screen recorder plus video editor, built for people who actually want to get things done. Record anything. Instantly, with just one click, you can record your entire screen, a specific window, or a custom area. Add your microphone, system audio, and even your webcam. And yes, it supports AI-powered virtual backgrounds, so you look polished anywhere. No complicated setup. No tech headaches. Editing that feels smart. This isn't just recording. ScreenToVideo comes with a built-in editor that actually saves time. You get AI silence removal to clean up awkward pauses, AI blur effects to hide sensitive info, built-in captions, zoom effects, and animations, Google-powered text-to-speech, audio balancing so your voice sounds crisp. Everything lives in one timeline, one interface. Turn your screen into a whiteboard. Need to explain something visually? Draw directly on your screen, highlight areas, add shapes, text, transitions, or even create animated GIFs in seconds. Perfect for tutorials, online courses, client walkthroughs, business presentations. Export and share. Fast, when you're done, export your video as MP4, WMV, GIF, or even MP3. Hardware-accelerated exports keep things blazing fast, and you can instantly share your video via Google Drive. Who is this made for? ScreenToVideo is perfect if you're a content creator or YouTuber, course creator or educator, small business owner, student or teacher. Basically, if explaining things visually is part of your life, this tool fits. Let's talk about the deal right now. ScreenToVideo is available as a one-time payment lifetime deal. That's 50% off, only $59 instead of $119. No monthly fees, no subscriptions. I've put the deal link in the video description, and I've pinned it in the top comment. Grab it before the deal disappears. Final thoughts. ScreenToVideo nails the balance between power and simplicity. You don't need 5 tools, you don't need editing experience, you just hit record and create. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe for more honest tool reviews, and I'll see you in the next one.